Other bodybuilder competing at the 1989 Nationals was middleweight bodybuilder Robert Augustin from New York. Video action has followed his career at the national level since 1987, when he took third place at the Junior Nationals in Toledo, Ohio. Then in 1988, Robert again entered the Junior Nationals, this time in Chicago. He captured second place. Several months later, Robert traveled to the USA in Las Vegas, but he took only 9th place. Undaunted with his placing at the 88 USA, Robert trained even harder for the 89 Nationals. His determination brought him success. In the middleweight class, the toughest class in the competition, Robert was awarded second place. Very possibly 1990 could be the year that Robert finally makes his dream a reality, winning the MPC Nationals.